This video is going to be a little different. I generally cover open source projects, especially AI ones. Recently, however, a drama unfolded in one of these projects, and I thought it should be covered. To give you a preface, we'll be talking about two projects in this video. One is the MiniCPM Llama3-V 2.5 model, which is a Llama 3-based 2.5 billion parameter model with vision capabilities. This was made by a research team backed by Tsinghua University and was released to the public on April 11, 2024. The next project is the Llama3-V project. This project also claimed to be a Llama 3 model with vision capabilities and had a very similar feature set to the MiniCPM project. It was released on May 29th, about a month after the MiniCPM model, and was made by a research team backed by Stanford University. Spoiler alert, it has now been taken down. Both models were released as open source, so some people started checking out the new Llama3-V model. They found it to be extremely similar to the MiniCPM model, which was odd because models only appear similar if trained on an extremely similar data set. A very low probability event, but possible. Some tech-savvy individuals examined its source code because if it was copied, the source code for executing these files would also be copied. And that's what happened. The source codes of the Llama3-V model were extremely similar to the MiniCPM model, with slight changes in the variable names. This could only happen if the code was generated from ChatGPT or actually copied. It turns out it was copied, as there were multiple similar files. The authors or contributors of the original MiniCPM model opened an issue on the Llama3-V project's GitHub page, asking why the models had so much in common. The author of the Llama3-V model replied, claiming it was a false accusation and that they hadn't plagiarized. They also claimed they had been working on it for a long time. But soon after this reply, they took the Hugging Face page for the model down. The original model's authors also questioned how the Llama3-V project could use the MiniCPM tokenizer if it had been in development for months, while MiniCPM was only released a month ago. The Llama3-V team claimed they used MiniCPM's old tokenizer, which turned out to be false information since the older tokenizer is vastly different from the new one. The Llama3-V team then removed the issue from their GitHub page, so the MiniCPM authors opened an issue on their GitHub page and started reporting it on Twitter. Another discovery was that the Llama3-V model couldn't even run with the provided execution code by its authors. The MiniCPM authors used their execution code to run the model, and surprisingly enough, it started running. Additionally, the MiniCPM team had trained their model on a small, custom dataset that helped it recognize Tsinghua bamboo characters, and this dataset has not been publicly released yet. But surprisingly, the Llama3-V model also showed similar results when given the same input, which is impossible without plagiarizing. Eventually, everything related to the Llama3-V project, including the GitHub page and Hugging Face page, was taken down by the authors team. An apology from the Llama3-V team stated they had taken the model down because it was similar in architecture to the original model, which was obviously not true. It was clearly plagiarized, or at the very least, fine-tuned from MiniCPM. This plagiarized work was reported on multiple pages and news outlets as original work, which cannot be fixed with just one apology. This is a very new phenomenon in open source work. It's really crazy. Plagiarizing someone else's work and posing as your own is not something that should be done. If they wanted to do it, they should have just released a fine-tuned or forked version of the model. I don't think this was justified. So, the takeaway here is, don't copy, just fork. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below this video. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.